Hello friends, welcome to the World Air Forces. Royal Thai Army Aviation. Founded 25 June 1935. Helicopters. Boeing AH-1F, origin United States, type attack in service 7. Boeing AH-6, origin United States, type light attack in service 8. Eurocopter Finance A550, origin France, type light attack in service 8. Sikorsky UH-60L Black Hawk, origin United States, type utility in service 15. Bell 212, origin United States, type utility in service 51. Augusta Westland AW149, origin Italy, type utility in service 5. Bell 206, origin United States, type utility in service 20. Eurocopter UH-72A, origin United States, type utility in service 5. Kamov Ka-32A1, origin Russia, type utility in service 2. Eurocopter EC-145, origin Germany, type VIP transport in service 5. Augusta Westland AW139, origin Italy, type VIP transport in service 8. Mi-17 V5, origin Russia, type transport in service 6. Switchvisor S-300C, origin United States, type observation in service 45. Storm 480, origin United States, type trainer in service 16. Robson R-44, origin United States, type trainer in service 1. Fixed wing aircrafts. CASA C-295W, origin Spain, type transport in service 1. CASA C-212, origin Spain, type transport in service 2. Embraer ERJ-135LR, origin Brazil, type VIP transport in service 2. British Aerospace Jetstream 41, origin United Kingdom, type VIP transport in service 2. Beechcraft 1900 C1, origin United States, type VIP transport in service 2. Beechcraft Super King Air 200, origin United States, type VIP transport in service 2. Sukhoi Superjet 100, origin Russia, type VIP transport in service 3. Unmanned aerial vehicles. Elbit Hermes 450, origin Israel, type unmanned aerial vehicle in service 4. IAI Searcher, origin Israel, type unmanned aerial vehicle in service 4. RQ-11, origin United States, type unmanned aerial vehicle in service unknown.